Hello, Class 10 students. Welcome to the first part of our series on acids, bases, and salts. Today we'll start with the basics, what acids and bases are, and how we can identify them safely using special substances called indicators. You encounter acids and bases in your daily life more often than you think. From the food you eat to the cleaning products you use, they are everywhere. Think about the taste of lemon, vinegar, or tamarind. What do they have in common? They are all sour. Now let's consider soap, baking soda, or milk of magnesia. These feel soapy to touch and have a bitter taste. These are characteristics of bases. While tasting helps us identify some common acids and bases, it's not always safe, especially in a lab setting, as many are corrosive or harmful. So how do we identify acids and bases without tasting or touching them? The answer lies in using, quote, indicators. Indicators are special substances that change color when they come into contact with an acid or a base. They are like chemical traffic lights, signaling the nature of a solution. First, let's look at some natural indicators that you might already know or can easily find around you. These indicators are derived from plants and other natural sources. A blue litmus paper turns red when dipped in an acidic solution. Conversely, a red litmus paper turns blue when introduced to a basic solution. This color change is a clear indication of a base. Think about a turmeric stain on your clothes. If you rub soap, which is basic, on it, the yellow turmeric turns reddish-brown. But rinse it with water, and it becomes yellow again. Some indicators change their smell in acidic or basic mediums. These are called olfactory indicators. For example, the distinct smell of onion disappears when exposed to a base, but its smell remains strong in an acidic solution. Similarly, vanilla extract loses its characteristic smell in a basic solution. Apart from natural indicators, we also use synthetic indicators, which are prepared in laboratories. Phenolphthalein is a popular synthetic indicator. It remains colorless in acidic solutions, but turns vibrant pink in basic solutions. Another common synthetic indicator is methyl orange. It turns red in acidic solutions and yellow in basic solutions. So to quickly recap what we've learned today, acids and bases cannot always be identified by taste or touch due to safety concerns. Indicators are crucial tools that help us differentiate between them. These indicators are not just confined to the laboratory. They are also important in various daily life applications, from soil testing to household cleaning.